Hello, Kieran from GMRspares here, and you join me in my workshop to show you another pedal, another MP42B Soviet new old stock Germanium transistor pedal, and this time I've made a Burns Buzzaround fuzz clone. According to internet folklore, only 200 Burns Buzzaround pedals were actually made, and the only famous person that seemed to have got hold of one was Robert Fripp from King Crimson. And when you hear the audio examples, you'll see where he gets his signature tone from. I've no idea how many of these I'm going to make, so get them while you can. It's all made using the GMRspares miniature tagboard, it's all true bypass, and it's all hand wired by myself. So without further ado, let's have a listen to some examples.